Hey everyone, today I'm going to be planning in my Sadie Stickers planner for September 9th through the 15th. So let's go ahead and get started. I will be using my Countryside sticker kit for this spread. I think I created this kit back in the spring of this year, spring close to summer, and I have not used it yet and I'm really excited. I love the country and so I really like this kit and I'm excited to use it today. I also have the matching journal kit. I have some of the transparent ones and then a page of the standard mat. I might add some of these into it as well. A lot of times, since I have my own sticker shop, if I can, I use my Oops stickers. Okay, so when I start out planning for my week, I always go in with my washi strips first. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Yeah, this year altogether, I've been really bad about planning. And I think I don't know, sometimes it's just like that. You get busy or unmotivated, whatever it is. And sometimes it's just hard to sit down and work in your planner. But it really does help to write things down when you have a lot to do. So I've recently gotten into the mood of planning again, and I wanted to start filming some plan with me's. If I have time. If I'm too busy with other things, I won't have time, but I want to make time for it. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my date covers, which are these, and I'm going to lay down my number stickers on them. So we have the 9th, so I just like to go in and add all the numbers to the date covers. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I will be back. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and lay down the date covers. I kind of have a routine with how I lay down my stickers for the week if I have a full kit to use. I kind of change it up when it comes to the weekend because I don't plan a lot on the weekend. A lot of times I just forget to fill anything in because we're just doing different things. Okay, now I'm going to go in with this transparent matte Journal Kit 83, which matches the sticker kit. I'm going to use this torn paper sticker. We'll do this flower one. Glitter header. On this side, I like to write, I use these header stickers and I use the goals one. And then I put a checklist on this side. That way, anything I need to get done that week, I just don't know which day necessarily, I can write it down here. So I like to have my sidebar like that. Okay, so Monday, let's see, how do we want to do this? Let's put the sticker up here. I'm trying to think if I want to like go full across or just do one day at a time. I change that up. Sometimes I will do one full day, sometimes I'll go across because I usually put my half boxes or quarter boxes up here. I'm going to go ahead and put this one here. So we started school probably a few weeks ago now, and my son is in 3rd grade now. And I bought the curriculum. Being a homeschool mom, you have the freedom to do that, which is really nice. But I realized going through his work, it's a lot more involved than like 1st and 2nd grade. There seems to be like a big jump from 2nd grade to 3rd grade. They're just more involved, which makes sense. Kids are getting older. So I just feel like I have less free time because school takes a little bit longer to do now. Also, our son is in baseball now, and his games start this week. They start on Thursday, so I'm gonna fill that in when I get to it. All right, let's put the scallop header. I find it does help me to fill out my, decorate my planner in advance, and then it kind of sets me up for success for that week. If I fall behind in decorating it, I honestly won't use my planner if I don't decorate it, because it's fun to use it when it's decorated, but not so much when it's just blank. So yeah, I'm really bad about that. If I don't get ahead, and it comes to be Tuesday, Wednesday, it's like, well, at this point, what's the point? So I don't always plan when that happens. So this week that I'm planning on, which by the time this is posted, it'll be like this week, I am releasing new stickers on Friday the 13th, and it will be Halloween themed. Maybe not everything will be Halloween themed, but most of it will be. And so I'm excited about that. It will be a cutesy type Halloween kit. If you're in my email list, then you would have already seen a sneak peek. I send a sneak peek usually the Fridays that I don't release things for what's coming up next. Just to make it kind of fun to see what's coming. So I did share a sneak peek in my email that I sent out on Friday. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I'm not a big Halloween girly. I don't like the spooky, scary stuff. It's just not my thing. So the Halloween stuff I will be releasing will be like the cute, lighthearted stuff. Because that's just how I am. But I mean, I know a lot of you probably like that too, So yeah, you won't see any spooky, scary stuff in my shop because I just personally don't like spooky, scary stuff. But I didn't release a Halloween kit, honestly, in a while. And I was like, you know what? It's time. I need to get a Halloween kit out. I did do a journaling kit last year, but that was it. I didn't do a full kit. But this year I'm doing a full kit, and there will be a matching journaling kit as well. Okay, let's do, he will have baseball practice. He's supposed to have baseball practice this night, so I'm gonna put that down. He's actually gonna be getting his jersey this night, so. I'm not sure what time it is yet. I'll fill that in later. I'm not sure what time it's gonna be. Looks crooked. I'm not great at making things perfectly straight. I'll say that. I wish I was better, but I'm not. But this is my planner. I'm not going for perfection. All right. And now you might hear my cat in the background. He's meowing. I think he wants my attention. Okay, let's do a to-do header. Actually, let's do a glitter header first, and then we'll do a to-do header. So yeah, I'm excited for my son's game this Thursday. It'll be interesting. My son's brand new to baseball, so it's all new to him. I just hope he has fun. I watch them practice and it's like, oh, are they ready? But it's all good. It's all good. It's all for fun, and it'll be fun to watch. But the game is late. It's like at 7:30 at night, and that's like bedtime for my kiddos. So it'll be some late nights during this baseball season. I love the country. We live in the country, and we live around cows and stuff, and it's so peaceful. and I just love the peacefulness aspect of the country life, so I just really like this kit. I just think it's so pretty. Take this torn paper sticker right here, and we're gonna go underneath here. This video will probably be longer than my last one, depending on how I edit it. This takes longer, I feel like, to plan a weekly versus a monthly. At least the way I did the last one. The last one was very decorative, so it was just kind of laying down stickers. These I'm a little bit more precise in how I lay things down. Okay, I'm going to be releasing new stickers Friday, so I'm going to put a bigger box here so I can write some things down. I use this as my work planner and also like my chores planner, and if there's anything I need to write down of what's going on, I use that. This planner is pretty much my go-to. I do have a bullet journal that I was using for my work stuff, but I just rarely get in there and work on it. I need to use that. I need to separate like work and regular, but sometimes I just don't have a lot going on. And I mainly, like I said, use this for work, what I need to get done for work, and just like chores. Or if there's an appointment or anything like that. So yeah, how do you use your planner? Do you write down everything that you do? Do you use it as a memory planner? How do you use it? Because I think everybody kind of plans differently. All right. After I separate, I just like separating with these headers. Gives it, I don't know, some added cute touch to it. Let's do this tree. Okay. As a mom, when do you not need to clean something? The moment you work on one room and clean it up, there's another room that gets destroyed. The joys of motherhood. Parenthood, really. These, I haven't done that. I didn't, you guys. I was supposed to put a game sticker here and I forgot. Darn, I'm gonna see if I can move this. My game sticker, because I don't think that's going to change. And the game, I'm gonna write it down, is at 7:30. So I have that in the planner now, which is nice. Put this box right here. Header right there. Oh, perfect fit. Alright, I'm going to use this washi strip. Lay it down right here. Of my full box stickers. I do not use the weekend section as much to write much down, because I just, if anything, it's more, unless there's an event going on, which there is. There's a game. I just remembered. Guys, I'm just gonna forget about these games. I'm just not used to being a sports mom. I'm gonna have to start getting used to that. So yeah, I do have, he's got a game Saturday night, and I'm gonna put that down before I forget, because I'm gonna fill it up with other stickers if I forget. Just set it down here. 7:30. 7:30 again. I recently made these baseball game and practice stickers. Honestly, specifically for myself, for this reason. But if you have a kid in baseball or softball, these could work for you too. They fit perfectly in between the typical full box size. The Happy Planner size is a little bit different, but if your planner fits kind of like the Erin Condren size, these will fit perfectly. This deco sheet comes with the full kit. We're going to do that right there. And I want to put some house stickers down. There's this big one that I want to put down. That's so pretty. I need to kind of hurry up because I'm about to run out of space on my phone. So I'm going to finish decorating real quick and then I'll come back to show you guys the end result. Alright you guys, here is the final look. I finished decorating this spread for September 9th through the 15th, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe to see more from me, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!